welcome back to my channel. Gagawa ko ulit ng second shout out kasi marami akong nakalimutan and marami rin akong hindi nabanggit, so maraming nagtatampo and I'm very sorry kasi yun lang po yung mga nakapasok sa utak ko and pasensya nyo na po kasi usually ang madalas kong nakakausap yun yung mga madalas na naaalala ko. Ganun naman tayo, di ba? So, pagpasensya nyo na po, and huwag po kayong magtampo. Sorry. Ganda ko ngayon, Anyways, this is my second grand shout out. Again, repetition, replay. So, let's all get started. I just wanted to say hi again to Miss Cathy Alacapa and husband Rodel and son Miggy. This time perfect na Mars. And to Miss Cristel Jenkins and to Edward and son Gabby. Hello! Yung BFF ko na dalawa. And to my kapatid Ivy Manipula and husband Roldan, Lina, Laura, and Enzo. I think Laura is first and then Lina and then Enzo. Hi babies! Love you! To Kissy na naman, Dave and husband Dave and the kids niya, si Kaylee. Yon. Hello! To Monay, Ramona, Jessica Nadong. Hello Bunso! Love you! And to my sister Dang and Wek. To my co-media sisters also, Farah, Jay, Jansen, Johan, and Janelle. Johan pala. To Miss Patty Castello and husband John Mark Wright. I just don't know kung anong name nung anak nila. To Pao and Jomel Pinalda. To Miss I'm Dekya. Sis. Love you. To Ate Lo, Fashionista 31. I really missed you and push mo lang yan, ate ko. Push mo lang lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin. And I will be your #1 supporter. That's a promise. And isang sakta ate. Sa mga Korea girls ko, yung mga anak-anakan ko dyan, hello mga children, I miss you a lot. To Maniboro, and to Miss Ivy Trig, to Miss Jolly Bernas, to Miss Lizelle Santa Cruz, to Miss Jen Housewife, my girl, yes, Miss Mai Alcera, and Juan Ligaya. Juancho, hello. Push mo yung takbo-takbo, go for the gold. Miss Susette Barso, Miss Jojo Bella, Miss Yel Tayag, Miss Jovelita, and Sister Neneng Hard, hello. To Ate Catslay 38, Miss MJ Jucares, Faye Jan Lapay Bunso, Potpot, Miss you, see you soon. Miss True Excel Eyes, Miss Biffin, Miss Trisha Kitten, Miss Anjay, hello. Miss Pam Robbins, Miss Michelle Guda, and to my sister William Reddick, Adriana, and her mom Rebecca. Hello, Mommy! Sa aking beb na si Catherine Macalino and husband and baby Luis. To Miss Raisa Alonsagay and husband Paul. And to the baby Alexander, hello. To Miss Casey Zamudio. To Miss Ann and Mike Williams. Bro, sorry, may mic na. Love you. To Miss Yan Castro, ang Yani Tots ko. To Miss Abigail Sunga. To Miss Brebedu. To Miss Ann Klutz, Kids, and Jaya. To Miss Mapi Renyada, Froggy, and San Colocoy, Chris. To Miss Perfecta and Dalton. And yung two babies nila. Hello, hindi ko lang kasi masyadong yung name. Pero sa DM lang naalala ko. Hi babies! To Miss Ellis Daly and husband. And Sophie, and Eli. Hello babies! Hello my Cinderella. To Miss Makeup by Prisa. To Miss Cetally 14. Lisette, sis Lisette. See you soon kapag nagkaroon ka na ng time. I hope I could meet you someday. Ayun. To Miss Ena Bonina, husband, and Abby. And to nanay ko, nanay ni Miss Ena, hello. To Miss Ona Kiambao, Miss Donnie Gutierrez, Miss Bing Castro, sa anak-anakan kong si Julius Miguel Reyes, to Juan Disipulo, hi, and to Miss Christine of Real Asian Beauty, to Miss Auntie G and Ara, ang aking sister na maganda at bonggang-bongga ang mga move-ups. Go, push, go for the goal. To Miss Susa Galut, to Miss Jen Cruz, to Miss Wild Dolly and Paul. Hi, Bunsoy! To Miss Maria Celeste Mantuhak Noble Franca. So long. Sis, panalo ang name. To Miss Noreen Larsen, to Miss Lice Randomness, to Miss Michelle Grace Magramo, and to Miss Emma Pez, Pinky Rice, and Happy. Hello, sis! Ang ganda-ganda mo. And gusto ko yung hat mo, pero hindi yung bagay sa akin. And mas bagay yun sa'yo. Check yan. To Miss Carrie Di Bella, to Miss Jaya Balasta, to Miss Camille Aranzazo Pedronia, Miss Beauty by Bibs, Bibs ata yung, basta Bibs. Bibs yung name niya, pero meron siyang FB, hindi ko lang matandaan yung name niya. To Miss Ara Cheng, to Miss Odette Malyares, sis, I miss your vlogs. Hindi ako nakakanood masyado ng vlogs ngayon. Pero, I will find some time na, ang tawag nito, makapanood uli, makapag-marathon uli ng mga vlogs. To Miss Kim Basas, to Miss Isa Texon, ingay dito, actually, ingay nila. To Miss Isa Texon, to Miss Pamela de Arce, more busina, more fun. To Mr. To Bro Joe Mix, hi bro, sorry hindi masyado nakaka-watch ng mga vlogs ngayon kasi sobrang busy din. Pero as a promise, I will find some time to watch ng mga vlogs ng mga co-YouTuber ko. To Miss Pilin Inavi, to Miss Devi Loves Cat, to Miss Elena De Leon, to Miss Karen Lisette Escobar, to Miss Dang Meharito and Jenilyn Meharito. Kahit ano dun sa dalawa, check. All Stuff Nice, Miss Sandy Proud, Miss Suzette Ventura, Forever Unique, Mix Coronda, MJ Stresser, Maria Alexis Watanabe, and also known as Ria. Sis, pagaling ka, huwag ka na magkakasakit, and get well soon always. Miss Andrea Chin Machika, Beauty with Julene, Cesnobs, Tita Connie Santos, Hazel Samson, Aika Sayer or Jel Reyes, Angelica Reyes, Sis Giselle from It's Cocax Live, It's Your Girl Wonder, Jasmine, Lives of Fe, Makeup and Polish, Luz Maria, Faye 2, Melanie Lim and Baby, ang cute. To Miss Candy Camera, to Miss Nika Sparks, Nix Makadaeg, Wildly Profuse, Abby Manalang, Regina Villaflores Toledo, Miss Nessa Pablo, Miss Jovelyn Prudente, and to Miss Kathleen Cristal Igawa Mendoza, and sa newly found friend ko na si Miss Mayan, I forgot the last name, pero bago lang kami nag-meet. Miss Mayan, it was nice to meet you. Ano ba yan? Ang gulo-gulo na ng salita ko. Anyways, thank you guys, and hope nabanggit ko na lahat ng mga shoutouts ko, and hindi ako nagkamali, and lahat, bye all, I love you. God bless everyone. Stay pretty, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Be positive, let's do good, and good karma will come back to us. Bye everyone. Mwah!